Hello everyone, I am Devranjani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about Wi-Fi 6E. The internet is the one thing that almost every person has access to in this world of technology. The easiest and most common way to it is through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Most of you must have a Wi-Fi router at your homes that may give you 4G or 5G. But now we have the latest 6E technology here already. What is your quarantine all about? Internet surfing, Instagram scrolling, Netflix and chill, etc. Right? And all of this must be through your Wi Fi router, giving a speed of 5 GHz. But here in the future, the latest update in Wi Fi technology has given us the speed of 6 GHz finally. In the largest spectrum addition ever, the FCC has decided to quadruple the radio spectrum. This radio spectrum is accessible for all kinds of IoT devices and routers as well. For those who don't know, the FCC stands for Federal Communications Commission. Key feature: the certified Wi-Fi 6E or normally Wi-Fi 6 has the capability to give you the efficiency, coverage, capacity, and most importantly the performance. This may satisfy you in this demanding world of internet. Wi-Fi 6 will give you much higher data rates than your current Wi-Fi network. The capacity of your Wi-Fi network will seem to be increased with the use of Wi-Fi 6. The performance will be better for Wi-Fi 6E with all the connected devices. And finally, due to all of this, the efficiency will also be affected and increased as compared to the previous version. The Wi-Fi 6E is capable of providing a center for the host of current. This will enable ultra high quality movies and some severe business applications that require low latency and high bandwidth. Comparison: the Wi-Fi 6E is a network that will have the device operating in the 6 GHz band. The 6 GHz will work similarly to Wi-Fi 6 over 5 GHz. But the difference is that 6E will have extra non-overlapping channels. In comparison with other networks in terms of speed, the 6E will be faster. The Wi-Fi 6E will give 1.2 Gbps or 1200 Mbps per stream. For instance, take the example of NASA. The network gives 91 Gbps or 91,000 Mbps. Capabilities: OFDMA, also abbreviated for Orthogonal Frequency Division Multiple Access, is used to share channels in order to increase efficiency. This will also enable low latency for both links, the uplink and the downlink in most congested places. If you want to know more details about Wi-Fi 6E, please check out our Gossipfunda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.